Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Online College Yearbook System. Now we are going to see the project abstract. A yearbook, also known as an annual, is a type of book published annually. So is to record, highlight, and commemonstrate the past years of schools or college. The term also refers to a book of statistics or facts published annually. This book was improve college or school worth. We create website for yearbook because all people easily access our yearbook anytime, anywhere, and improve the college worth. Hypertext markup language is used to create web pages. Site authors use HTML to format text as titles and headings to arrange graphics on a web page, to link different pages within a website, and to link to different websites. MySQL is a relational database management system based on SQL, that is structured query language. The application is used for a wide range of purposes, including data warehousing, e-commerce, and logging applications. The most common use of for MySQL, however, is for the purpose of web database. Now we are going to see the flow of the process. So this is the overall flow of the process. In this, there are three main users are there. So one is admin, student, and teacher. So in this, the admin can log into the process and add, update student and the teacher achievements. So an admin can store the data into the databases. They have to able to view the achievements of students and teachers, while if they need to update it, means they have to update it. So the teacher can register and log into the process. They have to view the achievements of students as well as the teachers, which is stored in the database. The student is also have the registration form and the login form. So they have to register and log in into the process. After, they have to view the achievements of their student achievements and the teachers achievements. It is stored in the databases. Now we are going to see the running procedure of the project. So this is the page. So I have to run. I click the index.html page and run file. So now the database process is done and the server will be started. So now the process will be open in the browser. So this is the home page. This is the first page. So in this, there will be the login option and the register option is there. So register option is there. If you are a teacher or student, you need to register it. If you are admin, you have to directly log in it. So in this admin, then there will be select. If you are admin, you have to select it with it. So login successful. So this is the welcome admin. So this is the admin page. So in this, there will be the two options there. One is teacher achievement and student achievement. So in the teacher achievement, the admin can add the teacher achievements and view the teacher achievements. Just click it. If you need to add it, you have to add like this. So then you have to student achievement. So if you need to view the older things, you have to just click it and you have to select the branch and select the department and you have to easily see it. So no achievement is there. So if you need to select it and you have to see it like this. So I have to view details means it will show the details. If you need to add a new student achievement, means you have to click the add achievement. You have to select the year. So 2020. So I have to select the roll number. Name is select branch. So now it is added, so I have to click OK. If you need to see that while you added this, so there will be the new thing is added. So if you need to click the view details means if you need to update anything means you have to just click update. So then log out. So now we have to register in that. So now we are logging the student. On this, if you need to update the profile means you have to update it here. So you have to view the achievements. So here I have to view the students and teacher achievement. So if you need to see the student achievements, just go there like this. So view it. So there will be the Gautam is here. But view the details. So likewise, if you need to log out means you have to log out and then register the teacher. Register the teacher. I have to log in it. So the teacher can need to update a profile means they need to update a profile here. So otherwise they have to view the achievements like teacher achievements or select the branch and do like this. So if you need to the students achievements means they have to teacher is also able to see the students achievements. So then log out, it will go to the main page. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.